What's up, Loc Nation? It's your girl Kenyatta here with a highly requested lock style tutorial. The girls made it clear. The girls want to know. That's cute, but let's talk about your hair, Kenyatta. How did you do it? In this video, I'll be showing you guys exactly how I achieved this beautiful plaited swoop lock style. Okay, if you haven't seen my video when I originally done my plaits, please check it out. It will be the first link in the description box. Okay, and without further ado, let's get into this style. See, my new growth is new growth, y'all. Okay, and this is basically just plaits going into a ponytail at the top of my head. Literally. See? You guys see, just plaits. To do this style, we're going to be doing a series of loops, and I've only done 2 right here in the back. Alright, and these are single loops, alright? So I'm going to take this one here, and I'm also going to make it a single loop. So I'll just fold it over like this based on where I want it to hang. Alright, just like so. I am going to use a rubber band. Hit that loop, okay? Now put your hair on the side that you want it to hang, alright? And of course I want mine on this side. If you want it on this side, put your hair on this side and just follow what I'm doing. Okay, now as far as doing my swoops, I started in the back and moved to the front. Okay, so you can see I have 3 in the back. And I'm going to start swooping from the back. So I have these back here. Where I want it to be. And I think I'm going to just have this one as a single swoop here. A single little, you know. Just to let you guys know, as of right now, we're only doing single loops. A single loop. The 3 right here at the top, I'm going to go ahead and put it together. So the first 3 at the front, just put it together because that's going to help us create our little design. So now that I've done some single swoops right here, I'm about to start layering it back. Okay? There's no special way to do this. There's no specific formula to do this particular style. Just do what you think looks cute. Okay? Now you see these ones with the beads on it. I just play with it. Okay. Now the ones with the beads on it, I kind of want them to be kind of like under, if you will, like so. And just like kind of tie them together. Hope you guys can see. So once I start doing this particular part, I'm going to show you guys where the switch up happens, all right? I have more than one rubber band. What I'm going to do is tie them together, like together. If you know how to tie rubber bands together, that's how you do it. I have my little black rubber band string. So I'm going to make a couple more of these, and I will be right back. I have my little rubber band strings that I tied together. Okay, so tie 4 rubber bands together, all right, to make a little string. Okay, so I'm going to start swooping them back. I did about four of them. I did about 4 of them with just a single swoop. Okay, now I'm about to start swooping them back. Now in the back, I'm going to take the 2. I'm going to take a lock wherever I want them to go. Hold on. In the back. And these have the beads on them, so I'm going to take one of my little loops, and I'm going to tie it around both the, hope you guys can see what I did. So I took those two locks and I tied them together around another lock. All right, now the rubber band that I just used, this that I just tied, I'm just gonna snip it. See? I'm gonna continue swooping my plaits. So I have the 3 right here at the front that I have separated, and I'm gonna continue swooping these, okay? You can do it one by one. I think I want this one to like come down here like so. See here? So I have this one. I wanted to go just like this. So I'm going to take it to the back. First, this lock right here. See this one that's hanging down? I'm going to fix that. So I'm going to take another one of my strings. Hope you guys can see. I'm going to take that and I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to take this long one here. When I tell y'all, when I did this, this is exactly how I did it. I just freestyled it and swooped my locks, okay? See, I'm trying to like make a shape. So I'm going to take this long one and I'm going to swoop it down like this. Right in between these two right here. As you can see how this one hanging. I wanted to hang kind of right in the middle there, okay? So if I wanted to hang there, I just swoop it around and see where it ends. I'll just stop it and like secure it right here, okay? Just like that, I'm going to secure it to this lock and just put it there like so. Taking my rubber band string and I'm going to tie it around the lock and secure it. And I'm going to take the excess and I'm going to cut it. See? Hope you guys can see. So far, so good. I'm going to continue swooping them around. Swoop them up here like this. See? I'm going to put them up here first because I like the way it looks like this. Okay, should I flip it? Yeah. So you're just kind of layering it, you know what I mean? So I like the way that looks. So I'm going to take the two. I don't want to lose where I have it. So I have the two together. I'm going to put a rubber band on it, like so. And I'm just going to take it up and just put it up here. See? Find a comfortable lock, a comfortable place for it to sit. And I think I'm just going to sit it there, just like so. I'm going to take my little rubber band tie that I made. The last 4 here, and I'm going to find where I want it to be. I think I'm going to get to this lock here. I'm just going to sit it there. Do these 3 here. See, I got them together, and I'm just kind of like adjusting them to how I want them to be. So just hold them together and adjust them to how you want them to be, or how you want them to fall. I have these 3 together like I want them to be. I'm gonna put a rubber band on it and like this, so I won't lose my measurement how I got them, because I want them to sit like this. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of like put it underneath this lock, like under the plaits, because you want to camouflage it a little bit. You guys see? So I'm going to stick it about right here. And I'm just going to pick a lock and tie it around that lock. So I'm going to just go ahead and take it and put it here. You guys see? I'm tying it around this lock here. I'm just going to put it there. Just like so. I'm going to take one of my little rubber band ties, and I'm going to put it around all the locks. We have one more right here that we need to tie up, and she is, you know, there, but she's going to go here. I want to make her go there like that. So since I want her to just kind of sit there, I'm going to just take it, turn around, and just find a place on the inside for it to go. A lock for it to attach to. And I think I'm going to attach it right here. I'm going to take, and I just grabbed 2 locks, which is these 2 right here that I'm going to attach it to. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm just going to grab these 2 locks here, and I'm going to attach it here. This is just sitting here like this. You can leave it like this, but I don't want it like this. So I'm just going to take this lock here and just kind of put a pin there. It will stay over to this side and also look a little flat. So there you have it. The swoop, guys. Girl is sleepy. Okay, but the day must go on. Okay. When I did this style, like I said, I just had plaits and a ponytail. I did not have intentions on doing this particular style. I got bored of my ponytail, and I was like, I need to do something different, and that's when I did this. All right, and you guys absolutely love this style. I love it too. Some of the best styles that I do are accidental. It's like I didn't mean to do that. I was just, you know, playing around or whatever. That's how it always happens most of the time. Right now I have like so many different things brewing in my mind as far as how to flip plaits and different styles that you can do with flip plaits. All right, I use rubber bands here, but you could definitely use thread to secure your plaits. I recommend using thread to secure your plaits if you're working on a client. All right, I did this on myself, so I don't really care. That's why I used the rubber band little ropes that I made, because I was like, I'm not about to be sticking my fingers trying to, you know, thread my hair with these plaits. So I just did what I did. I highly suggest using thread if you're going to do it on your clients, all right, or yourself. If you can do that, if you can manage that without poking your fingers, definitely use thread for yourself. But that is this style, guys. All right, the day is going to go on. Yeah, so comment down below and let me know what you think about this video, and I hope this helped. If you guys have any more questions about this style, how I did this style, I hope you guys can see really good, comment them down below, okay? Y'all, the shower ain't even wake me up. I'm still sleepy. But it's your girl, get me out of here. Peace.